Hello everyone. So on LinkedIn, every minute, 4 people get hired. Every minute. LinkedIn is an ocean of job opportunities. Everyone, okay, all the corporate professionals, all the companies are on LinkedIn. Are you active on LinkedIn? Do you know how to grow your network and unlock those opportunities? Then watch this video till the end because I'll tell you exactly how to get those first 500 LinkedIn connections. So even if you are just starting out, you have just 100, 200 connections, let me tell you how to grow on LinkedIn in next 15 days. So you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel and follow me on LinkedIn because I'm posting job search and career related tips every week. If you want 1.5 hours of power packed session with me, make sure you subscribe and register to my webinar. You will check that link in the description below. Now, coming back to LinkedIn, I'll show you my 5 strategies to get past that 500 mark. And why am I talking about 500? Because even if I have 14,000 connections, my LinkedIn still shows connections 500 plus. Okay, so it doesn't matter how many you have after 500, LinkedIn will show you 500 plus. Next thing is when you have those connections on LinkedIn, your reach increases. So if you comment on my post or you post something on LinkedIn, those many people will be able to see that post. And third thing it will happen when you grow on LinkedIn is because of those 500 connections, their connections. See, LinkedIn is a network. So everyone's connection will be open to you. They are called as second degree connections. I'll come to that in this video. All right. So I want you to get past that 500 mark very quickly. Okay. And I'll tell you 5 strategies. I'll show my personal LinkedIn screen and I'll exactly tell you and step by step, make sure you pause this video, immediately implement that on your LinkedIn profile. All right. So let's get to the first strategy. First strategy is connect with your friends, family, colleagues first. Okay. So I'm sure, let's say you will have those 10, 20, 30 connections. They're everyday connections. Let's say your family member, your cousin, your close friends, your close personal colleagues, right? You know by their name, you know their location, you know their company. You can search on LinkedIn. Okay, so let me show you. For example, I want to search for, let's say, Sneha Jadhav. Okay, I'll just type on LinkedIn and I'll get many Sneha Jadhavs who are there on LinkedIn, right? So what I can do, I go to all filters, I can check, let's say, a location, maybe I want them in Pune, I want them in particular company. I'll be able to filter and connect with my friends and my close connections. So this should be your first strategy. Why? Because they already know you, you already know them. You should get your first, let's say, 50, 100 connections through this. Okay? So, first strategy is search for your close connects on LinkedIn. Now, the second strategy I'll give you is go to my network and I want you to import contacts. Okay? So, go to my network, go to contacts on the left side. And here LinkedIn will allow you to add more contacts. And here you can actually enter your Gmail ID or you can, even go for your Yahoo ID, whichever ID you do. All right. So easily this way you can import all your contacts which are with your email address provider. That way, what LinkedIn does, LinkedIn searches for those email IDs in their own database and gives you those people who are on LinkedIn with that email ID. And you will be able to mass send literally like in one click automatically send connection requests to all those people. Okay, so the second strategy is to import your email contacts. Okay, this should give you those additional 50, 100, 200 LinkedIn connections easily. Now let's go to the third strategy, common organizations. Okay, see now slowly from your close connections to your email contacts, we are slowly going away from your known people. But before we start sending out requests to unknown people, there are ways to connect with people with a common connection. For one of them is common organization. For example, I worked, so I'll go to my network. I worked with Tata Research Development and Design Center, right? So I'll click here. Now here, I'll click on people. So LinkedIn is giving me all those people who have worked with Tata Research Development Center before or even today, right? If I know many of those people, I will be able to send connection request. Okay, because I have a common connection with them, I will be able to make a very strong impression. They will also see that we have that in common. Okay, what I want you to do is go through your common connection, go through your previous companies like this and find people who you may know, or even if you don't know them, you might not have met them. It's good to connect with them because you have a common connection, which is your company. Same thing you can do with your college. Okay, see, I mean, in our college or your last college or your graduation college or post graduation college, we have people who are in the same batch, in the same department, but we also have people who are alumni of that college. LinkedIn allows you to search for all those people. I'll show you how. See, my college is, College of Engineering, Pune. Okay. Now here, I will click on the college. I'll go to college page. Now, if you do not have college page, what you can do is even in the search bar itself, you can just select people here. Okay, if there is no separate page for your college, but in my case, there is a separate page. So what I'm going to do, LinkedIn will give you additional features if you have a college page. I mean, you means your college has a LinkedIn page. See, I have something called as alumni here. I'll go to alumni and I'll be able to say, okay, just show me people who are of my age, right? So I'm going to tell LinkedIn that show me people who were in the COEP college around my time. So now LinkedIn is showing me all those people who are in the same college around that time. Okay, if you know them, great, connect with them. If you do not know them, send them a connection request with a message, hey, great to meet you, with a college mate or a COAPN. Oh, I see that you are also from the mechanical department of this college, great to meet you. Very high chance that they will accept your request because you have a common connection. Even LinkedIn will show them that you share the college. Very high chance that they will openly welcome you in their network. All right, if you are looking for, let's say, senior person, let me say that I want to connect with people 7 years older than me. Why? Because they will be at a higher position. I want to reach them. So let me put 1996 to 2000, right? So there were people in college well before me, but let me search for them now. See now, see I'm getting 2001 grads, 96, 97. They are older than me. They must be in a corporate ladder at a higher position. Great. I'll connect with them with that message. Okay. So easily you'll be able to add another 100 contacts if you work for few hours on LinkedIn like this. This is my third strategy to connect with common organizations like your company and your college. Now, the fourth strategy is second degree connection. What do I mean by second degree connection? See, I'll go to my network. See, I worked for Tata Research Center, but it was part of, let's say, Tata Consultancy Services. So, whatever your company name is, you put that company name. Okay, so I'm putting that company name. I'm going for people here. But here I'm saying I want second degree connects. So people in Tata Consultancy Services of second degree. Do I know Ajay? Do I know Niger? Do I know Harik? Or do I have a strong connection? LinkedIn is also showing me 79 common connections. 79. Very high chance that we share common connections. I might be able to even refer that. Hey, I see that you are also connected with this person. Great to have you in my network. Or hey, great to meet another TCS sir here on LinkedIn. Got it? This is the way you can easily add another 100 odd connections to your profile. So I'm already on fourth strategy. I've already told you how to add 400, 500 connections easily on your LinkedIn. But I have one more strategy and a bonus strategy. Okay, so wait for that. Fifth strategy is your target companies. Let's say I want to work for Microsoft. Go for Microsoft. I will search for people here. Now, I want to connect with people at Microsoft. Okay, I can even go for a specific keyword. Let's say I want to connect with people who are design engineers. So in their title or even here, I can write design engineer. See, design engineer of Microsoft, product manager, design engineer, senior design engineer. See, I'm getting relevant people. So I'm targeting Microsoft as a design engineer role. Let me connect with these people saying that, hey, great to see that you are also working in design in Microsoft. Would love to have a chat with you about design principles being used in Microsoft. Got it? This is the way you can add maybe 50 odd connections, but very targeted around your target company and the role you want to in your next job. Okay, so these are my 5 strategies to grow on LinkedIn, those first 500 connections at least. Now, a bonus step for you. Okay, a bonus strategy. I go to my network. See, once you start becoming active on LinkedIn, LinkedIn algorithm understands you, your profile is good, and it understands your search pattern. It will start showing you people you may know. And as you become active, LinkedIn algorithm will show you better and better people. Okay. See, people you may know from College of Engineering Pune, people you may know from my location, right? All, let's say the interest I've given, okay, see, go for this page and again connect with people whom you think you already know them, you have a strong connection, or they are working in your target company or in your target role. Got it? So here are my 5 strategies and a bonus strategy just for you. But there is more. Thank you so much for watching this video till here. I have one more super killer thing for you. There is a LinkedIn checklist I have made for you to build your LinkedIn profile to perfection, which will help you get hired. Okay, so you will see that link in the description below. Download that LinkedIn checklist, a PDF checklist, and just follow my advice on your LinkedIn profile. I bet you if you complete all those steps, and if you use all those strategies, your LinkedIn profile will be all star. And when you start reaching out to people through my strategies, they will see your powerful LinkedIn profile. How will your first impression be? Powerful, isn't it? All right. So make sure you are using all these 5 strategies and a bonus strategy, and you have downloaded my free LinkedIn checklist. Make sure you subscribe to this channel because more such videos on LinkedIn, interviews, job search, career growth are coming in your way. Even you can hit that bell icon so that you get notified when my next video comes up. Okay? And see you on LinkedIn as well. Follow me on LinkedIn. You will find my LinkedIn profile link in the description. All right. So until next video, bye bye.